Okay, this morning I just received this new quilled beginner kit from Amazon, and I wanted to unbox this and see what's inside. So this is my new project, or my new hobby. So first we have this circle sizer. This is where you're gonna put your rolled or quilt papers, and then we have the tweezer. This is good for picking up or holding the quilt papers while you dip them on the glue, so that you're not going to mess up. Then I have this quilling tool set. So it has two kinds of needles, needle and slotted quilling tools. So I'm not yet sure how to use this, but we'll try to look for some videos on how to use them. And some papers for quilling. I don't know how many pieces, but looks like it's a lot. Enough for me to start. Then I have this sample cards. I also have this beginner quilling kit manual. Some designs. There. And what you can do. There. So that's about it. And here you can organize all your things. Bye bye.